Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another motif for you. This is really easy. What we have to do is start by making a slip knot. But before I start, I would like to say sorry about my voice because I catch a cold. Now we are going to start by 6 chain, then join together and make one loop like this. Now it's time to make a double crochet by start 3 chain for the beginning, then make 2 more double crochet because the first 3 chain considered as a 1 double crochet, so now we have 3. Then we are going to chain 3 and repeat by make 3 double crochet. Again chain 3. I repeat 2 more times because we are going to have 4 1 2 3. I make 1 more, 1 2 and 3 like that. Then for the last part, instead of making 3 chain, I make 1 chain, then insert my hook on the third one and make a half double crochet like that. As you can see, I have a square here. Now I'm going to leave the yarn here because I'm going to use it again. It's time to change the color. You can use any color you like. In this tutorial I'm going to use the color just what we have to do. We are going to make 1 chain and then here, as you can see here, I have 3 double crochet. I insert my hook in the middle of first and second one and take the new yarn like that, make 1 chain to make it secure. Then it's time to chain 3, 1 2 3, and then I insert the hook here in between the second one and the third one and make 1 single crochet like that. When it comes on the corner like this, we are going to chain 4, 2 3 4. We are here again in this one. Insert the hook between the first and second one, make 1 single crochet, chain 3, and here between second and third one, insert the hook and make 1 single crochet. Now we are in on the corner again, chain 4, and we repeat. Now we are on the corner, we chain 4, and when it comes to that part, we just insert the hook and make a 1 slip stitch. Again we leave this yarn for next row. Now we go back to the corner here. As you can see, I already left the yarn. I insert my hook and try to grab the yarn in front. Like this. As you can see here, I'm on the corner. What I have to do, I start by chain 3 and make 2 more double crochet. This is going to be half pattern. When we comes to that part, we are going to keep continue, but what we have to do when it comes in that part, before we go to the corner, we are going to chain 1 and then here in the corner we insert my hook and make 3 double crochet. Then chain 3 and in the same space on the corner we make another 3 double crochet. Like that. Then chain 1. When it comes to the next corner, insert the hook here and make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Like that. I will continue and I'll be back. As I told you, for the beginning I made half because I have it in each corner like that. I'm going to insert my hook in that one, make 3 double crochet, then again like the row 1, chain 1, insert the hook on the top of this and make half double crochet. So as you can see here, I have again a square and the pattern is like that. I'm going to leave this, the white one, and then it's time to repeat the pattern by another color. We are here in that one. I take the yarn like this, chain 3, insert the hook. Sometimes it's better to not. Here, then chain 3. Now we are in the next 3, insert the hook, chain 3, here 1 single crochet. When it comes to the corner, 4 chain, then insert the hook, 3 chain, 1 2 3, here insert, make 1 single crochet, chain 3, yeah, 1 2 3 4, and here, like this. We repeat the pattern and now I finish this row. You are going to repeat this pattern by take the white one again, and then start by chain 3, 2 double crochet, when it comes to the middle of the pattern we are going now chain 2, and then here try to make 3 double crochet, like that, chain 2, when it comes to the corner again repeat by chain and by make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet, like that, then chain 2, here between these space I make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and when it comes to the corner again repeat by 3, like this. We're going to repeat the pattern and as you can see I already finished the pattern like this. If you want to continue to make a bigger motif, you have to repeat again the pattern by chain the color. When it comes between the double crochet you have to make it 3 chain, 1 single crochet. When it comes to the corner 4 chain, and then again repeat the pattern until you reach your desired size if you like. And then after you finish the row you want, just it's better to make 3 chain, insert the hook on the top of this, and then finish the job like that. So that's all. I hope you enjoy also this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry again for my voice. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.